In the next 15 minutes, you could have your first or next digital product or online course up and selling. You upload one document into a tool called Skywork, just an outline of what you want to sell, and a few minutes later, you've got a complete sales funnel ready to turn visitors into buyers. Normally, this requires a designer you pay thousands or days of dragging boxes around in a website builder. I did it from one document. And the part that genuinely surprised me, the same tool can even create the course content itself, workbooks, guides. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps and prompts, so by the end, you can do all of that yourself. This is Skywork Design. The simplest way to put it, it's an idea to prototype workspace. You upload a document, a raw idea, an outline, a brief, and it turns it directly into a complete design set of persuasive landing pages with consistent branding. You can tweak the page by hand or let an agent do it for you. This matters if you're not a designer and you don't code. It's also not a drag and drop website builder where you do all the work yourself. The setup is just two files. First, a course outline that contains everything: the offer, who my online course is for, the core results people can achieve with it, what's inside, the bonuses included, even a free lead magnet for the funnel I intend to build, the common objections my audience may have that might prevent them from buying it, a few testimonials, a few requirements for my pages. And of course, at the top, I also have my pricing and refund policy. So everything the pages need to write themselves. This is the true document to AI part. So I'm going to download it. So I'm going to attach it here simply by clicking local upload and then on upload my course outline. Click on use directly. Second, I want a screenshot of my website. So Skywork can read the design straight out of that screenshot. I can just copy it and I paste it in here. So you can have my colors, my fonts, my whole look and apply to every page. That's the design system cloning. It's how the funnel comes out already on brand instead of generic. So here is the funnel I'm building. That's the lead magnet opt-in page that gives away a free guide to capture the email address. Now here we have a one-time offer page that people see after they sign up for the free lead magnet. And then they also have a full sales page for the course that turns them to buyers and motivates them to buy my offer. So that's like a multi-page project and not three disconnected layouts. You see, it's all the same consistent branding. And I built all of these 3 pages in just one prompt. And the prompt is here in this free build guide you can get access to by clicking the second link below this video that contains everything I'm sharing in this video, even a guide, a setup guide for using Skywork to build your own digital product or course funnel or whatever you want. So here I have my prompt. I'm gonna copy that, paste it into here. And now let's click send. And let it design the whole thing. By hand I'd have to open my website builder. They have a bunch of templates, then I pick one. Now I get this rebuilt template that doesn't look like my homepage at all. So I have to write all the content myself, every aspect. Then I have to drag and drop boxes around, add new elements here, new text when I need them. And then I need to design the entire thing so that it matches my brand. So I need to switch up the colors of all the buttons, of all the backgrounds, change the font style, the font sizes. I still need the one-time offer page, right? And then I need another page, the full sales page, and make sure all 3 of them look similar and have the same branding. So just that takes me many days or even weeks to complete. Now Skywork is doing all of that work right now from just one prompt, one document and one screenshot. And here it is. We have all the pages created. This is the opt-in page. Now I can here go through these. I have my thank you page that comes after people sign up. They get this special 50% offer. And I have my sales page here with the full offer of my entire course, including like testimonials. We have the bonuses people get, the modules people get, as well as here is the pricing. And I built all these 3 right from just this one prompt, and you can look at the colors. They are all matching the colors of my website. So it's exactly my brand here. Now I make it mine. This is the part that beats just regenerating over and over. It's called here the edit button. And you have basically 2 ways to edit, directly editing stuff, right? So click on an element and make changes to it. So I can say I want the absolute beginner's guide to Cloud Core work. So you can change the font size, the font style, the text, the colors, the alignment, right, of these different elements. Or you can say in plain words what you want to edit. So you click on AI editing and then you tell it what it should change. So I could say, make the headline glow in red, and then click save and send. Now it's glowing nicely. I can now make many more changes. One thing I don't like, this distance here is too large. I don't like to have the name here. I can select this. I say remove the name Fabian and make sure the entire page starts ready at the download instant label. So then I also want the subheadline in gray removed, and then also make sure the opt-in box has a white outline. And there you see, you can also do multiple edits just with one edit prompt. And here I have a white outline now. It has removed the subheadline. Perfect. Now let's move to the next page. Let's say I want to also change the sales page. So let's check it out. What do I want? Well, I want to have some sort of a course mockup. So maybe here, what you'll have by the end, or maybe here, right at the curriculum, I will click on edit and then just select the section and say here, click on edit. I go back to my guide. I have a prompt to insert a course mockup, place it on the left directly below the headline, place it on the center. Send it. It's basically now it's generating an image for me. Okay, the course mockup is done. Let's click it again and check it. It should be on my sales page. Scroll down. Yes, here you see that. That's the course mockup. Now I want to add one more thing. Maybe I want to add an image of myself, right? So there's the About Me section, your instructor. So I'm going to click on Edit. So here now I'm going to select this, but now I want to click Add to Chat. So because I want to add an image of myself, so I click on Upload, go to my images, where do I have in this one? Click Use Directly. Now I use this prompt I have, copy that, and I say insert this image of me as a square image in the About section. On the left side, make sure to adjust the column size so the About Me text and headline are on the right. Maybe at a 50% column size, so it's 50-50 and a clearly visible picture of me. Click send. It's finished, and let's go back to my sales page, scroll to the bottom. Where's the About section? Yeah, perfect. It did it exactly the way I wanted it, right? I didn't have to do anything, dragging and dropping stuff around. Now we want to go from design to live website, right? We have here the option to publish the URL here. Let's just, here we can click on visible permission. I say anyone with link can view. The visibility is updated. I could change the URL if I wanted to. And then I click on publish here. And then I have a live website. Let's check it out, right? I can already, sure, I need to connect it to my email marketing tool so I can capture my leads. Let's click here. Here I have my sales page, right? With all the changes, the images. And if I go back to go to the thank you page, I can just enter here an email address, click on send, and it will direct me to the one-time offer page. Also with the countdown timer already running. Now, if you want to deploy to some other website host, so you can just say, I want to deploy the website via Netlify. How do I get it up there? Or a custom domain via Skywork or even WordPress. Outline steps to do that for each website host. And there we have our answer. Skywork custom domain, the website is already hosted. So once published, okay, let's click here. I can add my own custom domain. So I would need to go to here, connect an existing domain here. So connect the domain, follow these steps, and then you can get it up and running on a custom domain if you use a tool like Netlify. In that chat, just click the download button on the top right. I think it's that one. Now this will download a zip folder of all the web pages, right? And then you can unzip it, and then you can go to Netlify and drop it in here. So here, Or if I have WordPress, it's the most complex, it says. Okay, well, here still going to work. So if you want to have the website live in 5 minutes, go to Skywork. So that's really the easiest version. Just go with that link here, which is what I used for one of my last sales pages and promotions, and it worked perfectly fine. Now the funnel that we've built sells our product, but Skywork can also create parts of the product. It can create slides, it can create documents like workbooks or guides that you can include in your course material, or the lead magnet you give away for free in the opt-in page. So all you would have to do is literally record the course lessons while all the course material is already created for you. So let's just start with this one. Generate me beautiful slides for each module of my course. Right, so, or if you have a course, a detailed outline of each module, you can create your whole presentation if you have one. But here, maybe I have introductory slides, right? And that would be enough for me. So click and send. And there we have my course slides for my different modules. So that's it. We turned one document in a complete, consistently branded and designed course or digital product funnel that converts visitors into customers. And it's already published live, ready to use and ready to share. We didn't need a designer, no website builder, and no coding. So the barrier between having a raw idea what you want to sell and actually selling it is basically gone. Now try Skywork yourself. Click the first link below in the video description. Then upload one document or whatever. Then upload one document and let it build your entire funnel. If you find this video useful, click the like button and hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos where I cover more highly effective AI tools and workflows.